noticed after launching Chrome that most people on their computers spend all their time in Chrome. They spend it in the browser running web applications. So we asked them, but to do that, if you look at it, you have to boot up your computer. It takes a very long time to boot up, and once you're inside, you have many, many applications. You as a user are responsible to making sure the application is up to date. You have to make sure all your data is safe. If you get a new computer, you have to migrate all the data. That's how the current PC model works. We think it can be much, much better. In fact, we wanted to reduce the entire experience to be nothing but the web. And that's what Chrome OS is all about. Chrome OS is designed to run across a variety of form factors. It is an end-to-end computing experience. But first, we have chosen to focus on notebooks because that's where most of the web usage is today. Most of the web is used on notebooks today. So we wanted to bring the Chrome OS experience to notebooks, and we call that Chromebooks. So what makes Chromebooks unique? Here are a few attributes. By default, all Chromebooks are instant on. So when you first get your Chromebook, first ever time, and you open the box, you can be up and running on your Chromebook within less than 3 minutes. It's amazing. You've all opened a PC and tried to set it up, so you know how complicated it is. You will be up and running on a Chromebook with all your data in about 3 minutes. Every time you boot your Chromebook, it takes about 8 seconds for you to boot up and be online. Each time you close the lid and open it back, in about 500 to 800 milliseconds, you're back resumed, connected to Wi-Fi. That's how fast the experience is. We are providing built-in 3G options as well. With that, users have the choice to always stay connected. You can buy data as you go. These are very user-friendly data plans by which you can always be connected. Most of them have a typical all-day usage battery times. So for example, even the CR48 had around 8 to 10 hours of battery time, so you can carry them all day. And you can have your charger at your home or at your hotel. You don't need to worry about carrying a charger with you. Some of these experiences are what makes mobile computing very powerful. Smartphones, tablets. But for the first time, we are bringing those same attributes to the world of notebooks. Let me talk about the software part of the experience. I think it's a very unique compute model. For the first time, everything is a web application. There are no versions. There is nothing for you to update. Each time you open the lid, you're using the latest version of the application. And all your stuff is in the cloud. It's very safe and secure. The first time, I think, we've designed a computing experience which can actually get better over time. Most of us are used to buying a PC. And on day one, it feels great and fast. But as you start using it over the course of a year, you can start to see it slow down. There are many, many applications. They take up more and more space. Your computer starts getting slower. You have security issues, etc. Just like Chrome, Chrome OS is designed from the ground up to update automatically. So every few weeks, you will get updated to the latest version of Chrome OS. And they can actually make it better over time. So our hope is that when you get a Chromebook, it actually gets faster 6 months down the line, not slower. Finally, the area where we have invested the most is security. Most computers today are woefully insecure. In Chrome OS, all your data is encrypted by default. Every time you boot up your computer, we go through a verified boot path. We cryptographically check all the way from BIOS every single component to make sure the right software is in place. And then finally, you're within Chrome, within the Chrome sandbox. Over the last 3 years, there have been security conferences in which people have tried to break into the Chrome sandbox. And it has shown itself to be very, very secure. So the end-to-end experience is extremely secure. So this is what, in totality, makes the experience of Chromebooks. We believe it's unique and really game-changing.